intelliCard, from design to operation, your experts in identity security. Founded 2008 and is privately owned, resides in Switzerland and Germany to serve customers worldwide. intelliCard designs, develops, integrates, maintains and monitors identity security solutions for medium-sized and large companies or organizations. intelliCard solutions cover the entire identity lifecycle: corporate certificate management, card management, ID access management, mobile authentication, PKI Solutions, card technologies, secure email. intelliCard provides fully managed identity security services during the entire ID lifecycle and offers comprehensive services for its customers. Concept and design, development and customizing, integration and workflow design, token personalization, card management cloud, training and workshops, support. intelliCard solutions are fully adaptable to any business. This is possible by the combination of intelliCard components plus workflow design and customization according to the customer's client systems lead to a fully tailored ID management system in any business context. intelliCard knows how to implement an identity security solution within any company by always balancing operation, functionality, cost of ownership. This leads to highly satisfied customers as intelliCard fully meets their expectations and needs. intelliCard, our solutions simplify and automate the identity lifecycle process. For further information and contact, please visit www.id-security.com.